ọkụ na-agbazikwanụ n'Ọsụ nke dị n'Imo steeti bịakwanụ ka unu fụrụ ife a na-akwa mgbe ebe a nụnwa ka ebe a na-anụ ọgụ ndị Ilanụ na ndị Ilak. Hey, ya bụ ife abụlọkwa na obere ife.
Yeah, we just arrived the health center now. You know, we are just, this is morning 18th of January. We are just arriving. We are just arriving for the beginning of the operation. You know the year what? I'll be keeping you up to date on what's going to be going on. Stay blessed. This is h0o village in Orsu Imo. As you can see, the homes have been abandoned for long. All these are grasses that have grown to 3 levels. You can see the houses. How they've been taken over by nature. All the homes, people's homes have been taken over by nature. This is people's community that are abandoned. As you can see, the IPOB criminals have taken over the community. But there is a military operation ongoing right now to recover the whole community once and for all. This is the Oda and the h0o axis of Orsu Imo. They mine the roads. That's why the military vehicles and the police alongside the DSS are carefully moving and trying to do inch by inch. We're moving slowly, gradually, but very carefully to make sure we eradicate all the bombs, all the IEDs. As there are communities, there are people's homes abandoned. Grasses have grown to 3 levels. Many of the homes, as you can see, this one has been damaged by the so-called freedom fighters. There are just a bunch of criminals. As you can see that window, it shows they've been inhabiting that place. Like I said, this is the final operation to fully recover the community. This is St. Michael's Anglican Church, Orsu Imo, completely overgrown by grass. St. Michael's Anglican Church, Orsu Imo. This is what they've turned the community into. This is, you can see the loudspeaker, you can still see the loudspeaker there. Everywhere abandoned. And they rigged around here with IEDs. But we are coming back for it. They're here. You see why we need to fire this place? You see waiting the, you see smoke with the problem there. You see a person there inside there. People follow here. Either they run or they don't run already. See here. This is live from Orsu, from h0o in Orsu Imo. Live military action today, February 18, 2026. Lucky shot. We are right now at the edge of the Orsu Valley. The enemies are engaging us from the opposite direction. They are engaging us from there. Right now we are trying to break their line of defense. Their very first line of defense. Okay. The battle right now is very intensive. We are engaging them the army, the DSS are jointly engaging them right now, even the Air Force. Everyone is trying to engage them. We are the MTN mast also, so we are taking cover. We are the MTN mast also, engaging the enemies. We are on the verge of breaking their first line of defense. We can hear the sounds now. There is an exchange of fire right now. The h0o BSN bandits are firing, and the army operatives are returning fire. Of course, the criminals are shooting from afar and making noise while the army is standing at a place waiting for them. But as usual, they are not coming forward, likely waiting for the army to get entrapped in their IED mines, which no one is falling for. So far so good. We're still here.